Hey there, it's John from the Forex Dad. And I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but here goes. Um, Before we get started, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. All my videos, posts, anything on any social media channels, YouTube, Facebook, etc., are for educational purposes only. This is not trading advice. You must realize that trading in the Forex markets um, is quite dangerous. You could lose all of your money, so be sure and only trade with money that you are willing to lose. Any trades that you take will be your responsibility, not mine. So, with that being said, I'm trying out a new piece of software now. I've been in and out several different companies, and I haven't really gained a lot of traction as far as being able to quit my job and become a full time trader yet, but I'm still rocking and rolling, still moving towards that purpose. So, I had a buddy of mine on Facebook that mentioned this software here called the One Click Trader. Uh, and basically it's a piece of software that you download onto your MT4. It's considered an expert advisor. You can see right there, One Click Pro Trader. And what it does is you can load it onto multiple charts. As you can see, I have this loaded onto a bunch of different charts on here at the bottom, and these are all 1 minute charts. We trade on the 1 minute with this. What happens is when the software notices a trade that it thinks is going to be a good trade, you'll get a pop-up. I don't have any pop-ups right now because the market's closed, but you'll get a pop-up here saying that there's a trade, and it'll ask you if you want to take it. Now there's a total of 8 different trades that you can take. One is the initial entry, which typically happens at the candle close, I believe. So the initial entry for this trade would have been right here, where you can just get in, put your stop loss below the low. And as you can see, it went up a little bit. Not a ton of pips, maybe about 10 pips so far. But then the market closed. It came back down a little bit. And then here's the second trade right here. Now, these are the trades that I like, that I prefer. Um, Especially since, as you can see here, there was like a liquidity grab. It swept these lows here, took out liquidity, and then it broke structure to the upside. So when that happens, I like to basically um, get in on the fair value gap of the previous candle if there is one. As you can see, there's a nice fair value gap here. But this trade here, the second trade, is actually right at the end of the fair value gap. Okay, so that's on a pullback. So you can get on that one, you can get on this one, you can get on this one. They're all pullbacks, right? Um, I'm still learning. The reason why I'm starting this video series is because this is a brand new challenge that I took with Glow Node. It's a $25,000 challenge that I'm going to attempt to get through real quick. I took one practice trade Friday in the morning. It was a sell on EU, and I had to go to my kid's field day at school and do the grilling and stuff. So I checked it later on in the day. It was getting late. I was up 3%, so I just went ahead and closed it out. I probably could have made about 4 or 5% if I would have stayed in it till the end of the day, but I didn't want to get stuck in the trade over the weekend if I got too busy to check my phone. So I just closed it out. So far, one trade, 3% gain, not too bad. It did. I was down. I have another 10,000 account with the funded trader that I'm doing. I was down $3,600. No, $360 on that. So now I'm only down $60. It got me up almost back to the starting balance. So this is the software. I'm going to be posting lots of videos on the days that I am able to trade with it. The company also has live live trading calls. There's also another piece of software called the 8 Minute Trader that they use basically to trade the US 30 on the market open at 9:30 Eastern in New York time. So they have a 9:15 Zoom call that starts for the open, and they have a trader on here that goes through trades and takes trades, and you can trade along with them. Again, these are just for educational purposes. Everything you do is on you. And then around 10 o'clock, they'll have another trader come on to search for trades with the one-click trader, and he goes through. These are typically the same pairs that everybody watches. So you can get right on the calls and open up a demo account to learn. I've been in and out of this trading forex for the past couple of years, so I'm very familiar with risk management and things like that. As of right now, on my risk management settings, just so you can see, I am only doing per alert. Primary risk per alert is 1/4%, and primary mitigation is 1/4%, because you could have the 4 trades here that you can get in, and then there's also 4 mitigation trades. It's a little pop-up, and you just click which ones you want to take and hit yes, and it automatically enters the trade. It puts your stop loss in and everything for you, so it'll give you also like a drawdown limit in case you reach a certain amount of drawdown in a day, it'll close all your trades. Or it could also give you a profit limit where you can put in. Right now, I've got 5% profit for the day. So if that reaches 5% profit, it closes all my trades out. So it's a really, really great piece of software. Handles a lot of them. You don't have to go into my FX book and do the position size calculator and figure out how many pip stop loss it is and also the stuff that does everything instantly for you. You just decide whether or not you want to take the trade. And you go ahead and click yes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you got any questions about the software, please feel free to leave a comment below. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.